7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.
Game we played for sure the first half, the approach we had, the physicality. I think a lot of things that we prepared try to, let's say, put Žalgiris in trouble, worked pretty well. Obviously, you know, first half we had 5 turnovers. In the fourth quarter, they increased the level of the physicality and the level of the turnovers. You know, increased a lot. We finished with 20, and it's not possible to try to compete at this level, you know, if you have 20 turnovers, because most of the possession, in my opinion, and the easy basket started from their fast break game, and in the moment where Francisco was attacking and scoring even tough or lucky shots. In general, I think that's the way. You know, after that we have Blažević back. We have a deeper rotation. We found a new chemistry, and I think that's the way that give us the chance to compete. So I'm pretty happy for the approach we had and for the game we played. Unfortunately, not for 40 minutes.
Tai komentaras apie rungtynes. Esu laimingas tuo, kaip komanda žaidė, ypač pirmoje rungtynių pusėje. Tai, ką pavyko paruošti Žalgirio komandai, veikia neblogai. Tuo pačiu pirmajame kėlinyje buvo prarasti tik 5 kamuoliai, tačiau po pertraukos varžovai padidino fiziškumą ir todėl komanda iš viso suklydo 20 kartų, tiek sykių, darius tiek klaidų, laimėti rungtynės yra sunku ir viskas prasidėjo nuo to, kai Žalgiris greitajame puolime rinko lengvus taškus, taip pat ir Silvėnas Francisco pelnė taškus po sudėtingų metimų. Taip pat treneris išskyrė tai, kad komanda po Mareko Blaževičiaus sugrįžimo į sudėtį pagerino komandos chemiją ir tai suteikia pozityvumo.
Coach, one of the positives tonight would also be the rebound battle that your team won, right?
Yeah, I agree. Especially the first half, we were really dominating the boards. We had a lot of second chance shots. We started the first quarter having, I think, 5 offensive rebounds. You know, deciding to start with this huge lineup, obviously we have more sides and we can crash the board much better. So I told you that's the way. Obviously we also had the chance to grab rebounds because we didn't score. Because if you score, there is no rebounding chances. So obviously it's two-way. But I told you, I liked the last 2 games. I asked to the team to have to keep pushing after the Tuesday game in Klaipėda. And despite the defeat, I really hope and wish that, you know, that's the way we want to continue to play.
Klausimas buvo apie kiek treneriui patiko pozityvus dalykas, tai kad Vilkai laimėjo kovą dėl čiokusių kamuolių. Pasak trenerių, pirmoje pusėje jo komanda dominavo po krepšiu, kartojo metimus, aišku, jos kartoti įmanoma tada, kai nepataikai tų metimų. Todėl buvo susikurti tie antrieji šansai. Treneriui patiko, kaip komanda iš esmės žaidė paskutinės prieš tai buvusias 2 rungtynes. Jis prašė komandos tęsti tą žaidimą ir tikisi, kad pavyks dar jį gerinti ateityje.
Coach, you mentioned that you're proud of Marek Blažević tonight, but how far is he from his 100% at this moment?
I mean, it's the third game he played. Is not for sure the Marek Blažević that was really playing impressive games even at the Eurocup level. But at least he's he's part of the team, fully part of the team, and he's working every day to try to be back on at the same level of performance. So obviously now our goal is to try to fight hardly for the 3rd position, and then we wish to have the complete roster to fight for playoff.
Klausimas buvo apie Mareką Blaževičių, kiek jis yra geriausias savo formos. Pasak trenerio, tai yra tik 3 rungtynės, kuriuose Marekas žaidžia. Jis turėjo gerų rungtynių Europos taurės turnyre. Todėl dabar trenerio svarbiausia, kad komanda toliau kovotų dėl 3 vietos ir laukia sugrįžtančių kitų žaidėjų po traumų ir to tikisi išeiti playoffs.
Last question. You mentioned that you want to have a full roster for the playoffs, but tonight we saw that Matas Jogėla was already pre-gaming, had his routine. How far is he from getting back on the court?
I mean, we have to check him day by day. We don't have we have to check his feedback, but he is working to try to be ready, and I hope he will be back as soon as possible.
Klausimas taip pat buvo apie Matą Jogėlą, kuris buvo matomas komandai darant apšilimą. Pasak trenerio, jo situacija yra kasdien tikrinama ir tikisi, kad artimiausiu metu jis sugrįš.
7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.